sound like it's a live stage. Well, Joe, you know me react to things already, so I go on like it's a real reaction me I do right now. Yo, it like it's a live stage show performance the man there for. You hear the hand them a blow and the crowd are real. You see me I say? It just feel like it's a real live stage show, yo. To me, you understand? Go through though. Boop, boop. We don't give a damn. Look for me, them. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. Wait, my lip dry. Alright, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I am back with another mini reaction video for today. First and foremost, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, you guys. It means so much to me. Yeah. Thank you all for checking out my reactions. I see some positive comments, or I always get positive comments, mostly positive comments. I want to say thank you to everyone for commenting, for liking my video, and just continue to give me the support. You see me I say? So support the Jamaican boy. Big up on yourself. I know it's probably soon near right, so I shout out because I always do that in my video. I try. You know, make videos like 2-3 videos a day. So, you know, I put the same shout out them in a one video. Because I don't know, say, yeah. But I do it every day. I try. Every video, I try. So, big up on yourself for your name. Comment if you see your name in the next video. Yeah. If I don't post the next video today. By the time this done. Anyways, today I have something different today, people. Mr. and Mrs. STETHS, which is St. Elizabeth Technical High School. That is in St. Elizabeth there. Shout out to that school, them. I used to hear a lot about them. I used to track and field, some used to know. You know what I mean? Yeah. But anyways, them do this, like them have this, it's a talent show thing or whatever, I don't know what it is. But I just come across this video that they did. Yo. It's like them just remake Kartel performance for them we get free. Now let's say free, like a little prop when they do. But then pull him out of the handcuff and perform on the stage or whatever, them remake it. So let's just watch this right now and see what I go off it. You understand me? I enjoy it already. I'm not even watch it yet. I only see one picture. And my soul comes just reach on the page which part it there. You see me I say? So we can see what I go on. Let's go. And remember, on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so subscribe to the channel. Ready? Sound like it's a live stage. Well, Joe, you know me react to things already, so I go on like it's a real reaction me I do right now. Yo, it like it's a live stage show performance the man there for. You hear the hand them a blow and the crowd are real. You see me I say? It just feel like it's a real live stage show, yo. To me, you understand? Go through though. Boop, boop. Don't give a damn. Look for me, them. Oh. Yeah. Them. Hear the crowd are real. Why the light come on so strong? Why you be so strong light? Geno Star. No, mess up all my video vibes. But anyways, the crowd are real. You see me I say all the girls come up on the stage bad over Kartel. The crowd are go on bad. It just come like it's a live stage show, honestly, yo. Trust me. Go through door. I check. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Yo, nah, like that's the energy you get from watching the video. So imagine like just imagine the right that's live right now and see everything want to go. It just feel like it's a live stage. It just feel like a Kartel I perform, dog. Yo, just like it's a Kartel me I watch right now. Big up on yourself, STETHS. Then I go on the bag of things over there. You see me I say? Go through door. Send them away when you are over there. Face girl from area. Oh, the girl in love with her. You're the crowd. You're the pop what the man get. The man go drop a new song. The people that would have die for. Yo! The man drop a new song and the crowd pop. Listen to this, dog. Listen to this, dog. Yeah! Come! Yo, you can't tell me say you don't get like a live stage show performance from watching this video, yo. It's like it's a live stage show performance I go on like a cartel actually a perform, yo. I that me get from it, trust me. Big up on yourself again, STETHS. So don't go on the bag of chips. John, got you. Next day, get notice like a live station. Everybody have out them phone, yo, and I pray. You see me? I say, yo, me can't get over the fact. So I just feel like it's a live station performance. Me actually I watch, yo. STETHS, big up on yourself again. Big up to that group again for perform this. You see me? I say, I hope the brother here with Mr. STETHS because I ain't get the most fire reaction. Them have more things for them page, but that's the one that really catch me eye. You understand me? Because the picture I see the picture, and so comes to lead to them Instagram page. You see me? I say, only can go follow them on Instagram and pre it for yourself. Mr. underscore and underscore STETHS. You see me? I say, only can go pre that for yourself. I'm going to finish watching the video though. You see me?
We know something from 1999. So you go out and you give me all you. Got you know something from that you signal for you where you want to. But we start that
video done. Whoa! We don't want to see that. Anyways, guys, this video boy Tyrekejt. I hope you all enjoyed that. If you want to watch the full video, see Instagram up my corner. Right here, so there. Yeah, Instagram the right up I corner up here. So you see me I say? Yeah. So you can go pre that, you see me? And make sure to subscribe, continue subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys, I appreciate it so much. One day road to 10,000 subscribers, but first let's get 5,000 first. You see me? Yeah. It's been a boy Tyrekejt. Like the video if you don't like it yet. Big up on yourself.